Rebound of it.
Bagong MVP.
Stay number 8.
Turnover yun, no?
Ready, go, good boy. Time out, Team Moran.
Turnover. Na ako. Ano Paris ah. Uy. Sa Paris sa amin ko. Okay lang. Oh. Laman loob. Laman loob. Charong bulaklak. Tapos mga prito yun. Steam eh. Tabak. Tabang. Doon namatay siya. Doon namatay. Sino? Robles. Pag araw-araw, hindi naman masama pag minsan-minsan. Minsan lang. Hindi ko nakatiwa. Dobo. Kalma lang, sir.
10 seconds lang. 5 seconds lang. Rebound number 6.
Hold away.
Out of bounds. Substitution.
Zero six.
Technical foul number 6.
Technical foul.
Throwing a ball, no? Sportsman like behavior.
For sportsman-like behavior. Technical foul number 6. For sportsman-like behavior.
Paul yung kasama sa Paul yung.
Kerbasi. Warning na pre.
Fourth personal foul number 6. Warning for foul down.
Binato siya ng bola. Wala. Wala. Select.
Siyempre, goals na. Uy, no? Walang ano dyan.
Two points. Last 2 minutes. 3. Rebound 85.
Last 10 seconds na shoot.
5 seconds lang. Shot clock violation.
Sakto. 7-3.
1 minute to play, 1 minute. 10 seconds shot clock. Hey, 2 points.
Ano? Pati si Red napapa.
Before 42. 40 seconds. 35. 30 seconds. 10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Out of bounds. 19 seconds. 15. 73, 2 points. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Ha? 1-7?